Right. Let's settle this once and for all. Everything you think you know about hunters and gatherers is probably wrong. For decades, the story went like this. Men hunted, women gathered. Simple, neat, job done. But actual evidence? It's messier, smarter, and way more human. Myth. Men did the dangerous hunting while women stayed safe nearby. Fact. A 9,000-year-old burial in the Andes. Female with a full big-game hunting toolkit. Not a token case. Across the Americas, dozens of early burials show women as hunters or weapon owners. In the Philippines, Agta women actively hunt with dogs and bows. Among the Hadza in Tanzania, women gather most calories, but also hunt small game and catch honey. Men gather too when it makes sense. Roles weren't fixed. They flexed with season, skills, pregnancy, and what the landscape offered. Myth. Early humans lived on meat, and more meat. Fact. Plants often made up the majority of daily calories. Tubers, seeds, fruits, nuts. Honey were staples. Meat mattered, especially micronutrients, fat and protein, but the menu was broad. Coastal groups leaned on fish and shellfish. Arctic peoples thrived on marine mammals. Tropical foragers feasted on fruit and honey. There wasn't one paleo diet. Myth. Hunting was a solo, heroic sprint. Fact. It was teamwork. Persistence hunts took hours under the sun. Drives, ambushes, traps. Nets needed planning, scouts, and childcare support back at camp. Kids learned by doing. Small game digging tools, firewood. Elders shared knowledge. Where to find water when the berries ripen, how to read tracks. Food wasn't just fuel. It was a social glue. Myth. Gathering was easy and low status. Fact. It demanded encyclopedias in the head. What's edible, what's poisonous, how to process tough starches, how to detox plants. Grinding stones and cooking fires turned hard roots into brain-building calories. Gathering supplied steady energy. Hunting added spikes of fat and protein. Together, they powered bigger brains and longer childhoods. Here's the real headline. Flexibility won. Early humans weren't locked into pink and blue jobs. They optimized. If a woman was the best shot, she hunted. If a man was great at digging tubers, he did that. Or minding kids, he did that. Season shifts, droughts, new coasts to explore. They changed the plan. And that change shaped us. Cooking softened food and freed up time. Sharing reduced risk. Your hunt fails, my basket's full. Grandmothers foraged, watched kids, and kept knowledge alive. Cooperation, not macho heroics, is what let us spread across the planet. So what should I keep in mind today? There is no single ancestral diet to copy, and no single ancestral role to worship. Eat like a forager, diverse, seasonal, and adaptive. Live like a forager, share, teach, and stay flexible. Men hunted, women gathered. Nice story. But the truth is better. People did what worked, and that's how we survived. If this flipped your mental timeline, hit pause on old myths and subscribe for more evidence over easy slogans. See you in the next one.